In this video, I will teach you how to do multiple time frame analysis like a professional. Like if you want to be a professional trader, then you need to learn multiple time frame analysis. And in this video, I will show you everything about multiple time frame analysis, and most importantly, how to use multiple time frame analysis to get a very professional trade, to get profitable trade. So sit down right here, watch this video, because I will be showing you how to do multiple time frame analysis in a professional way. All right. So before I proceed, if you're coming to this channel for the very first time, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you can be getting notifications about the videos, my upcoming videos. All right. So without further ado, let's quickly go into the video. Now, first thing you want to know is, what is multiple time frame analysis? What is multiple time frame analysis? Now, multiple time frame analysis is like top-down analysis, but not exactly top-down analysis. Now, I'll explain. Top-down analysis is like starting from the top, starting from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Okay, but multi-time frame analysis just simply means analyzing the market from different time frames. That is what multiple time frame analysis is. That is, you're not focused on only taking trade on one time frame. You're focused on doing it on more than one time frame, two, three, four, five time frames. That is multiple time frame analysis. So how do you really engage this multiple time frame analysis? Now that you know what multiple time frame analysis is, how do you then apply it into your trading? So to apply multiple time frame analysis, I would suggest you start from the monthly time frame. You start from the monthly time frame to do your multiple time frame analysis. Okay, because you want to get a well-informed trade decision. You don't want to just wake up one morning, place buy anywhere, place sell anywhere. You want to get the flow and trade in line with the market. The reason is this: because you don't move the market. We retail traders don't move the market. All we do is flow with the market. We follow what the big players are doing. The central banks, the hedge funds, the government organizations that are pumping billions into this market, they are the people moving this market, moving the money. All right. So what we do is take a portion of what they are doing. We just look at what they are doing and we follow them. Now, if you look at this market right here from the monthly time frame, you can see everybody, even a blind person, can see that this market is bullish from the monthly time frame. Now, that is a very great, you know, information. Now, the next information you want to get here is, he approaching any key level? Has he broken any key level? This is it. It has broken this key level. He approached it and broke it. Now, beautiful. We have that information, those two vital information right now. What we do? What else do? We go to the weekly time frame. Now, we want to actually continue with what the market is doing. All right. Now we track the structure here, which you can see that the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Right. Beautiful. You go to the daily time frame. You go to the daily time frame, and you're now seeing that things are even getting clearer. It just broke above this level right here. So that it broke above this level, making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The next thing is higher high. Now you go to a lower time frame again to see what is the structure that the market is printing. You can see that it was making this, as you can see, it was making this level into this level. It was making it, and it even had a trend line that the market was following until it broke it out. Right, it just broke out from this trend line, made a higher high and a higher low. The next thing is boom to the upside. Simple as that. That is multi-time frame analysis. Now let me just show you a quick example of what I'm talking about. Now you are marking key levels. You've marked out all the vital key levels. Let's say from here, this is a key level, right? The market came here and smashed this level but couldn't break it. Now the market closed right here. What do you then do? Do you place a sell here? Listen, guys, I want everybody to pay attention. If you can pay attention to this right here, then multiple time frame analysis would be very easy for you. You would know exactly how to do it. This is the catch. Okay, this is the catch. This is something I'm giving you for absolutely free. All right, This is what nobody would tell you. Okay. Now, as smashing at this level, let me mark this other side. How do you know that this market will sell? Looking at this from this time frame, this daily time frame, you don't actually know if this market will sell or not. It is not showing that this day from here will sell. I don't know if I'm talking like, are we on the same page? You don't really know if this market will sell. But what do you do once it hits this resistance level? That is where you go to a lower time frame, like the 1 hour, 4 hours, 15 minutes time frame. Now you're going to look out for one thing, the structure in which it approached that level. If it violates that structure, then you know that it's respecting that key level, then you will start selling. Now, this is exactly what happened. I want you to pay attention to this. You see, it made a higher high, a higher low, okay? Made a higher high, now made a higher low right here. I want you to pay attention. It made a higher high again. They now made a lower low, right? Now, you shouldn't place a sell right about here. If you place sell here immediately, you are going against the trend. You are trading wrongly. Don't place sell because this low was just broken. You're trading the next leg, the higher low. I want you to capture this. If you can grab this, you're better than 99% of traders. I want you to pay rapt attention. Price approached a resistance level and made what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now made lower low. You're not trading this lower low. You're going to wait for the market to make a lower high, for the market to start selling from here. The lower leg is what you trade. Every market you're in a downtrend, you're trading only the lower highs. This is one secret that a lot of people make mistake about. You're trading only the lower highs. You don't trade the lower lows. So the market came back into this region, made a higher low. This is where you trade. You capture this whole leg. Your goal is to capture this whole leg to this point. You understand? So you wait for it and target here. While it comes here, you capture it from here, from this point to this point. So that is the leg you're interested in capturing. Okay, on the next video I will show you the entries, how to get this entry, precise entry here. If you're on the lower time frame like the 5 minutes and 1 minute, how to capture it from here. You capture this long leg here. This is where the money is. Okay, this is where the money is. From here to here you will get about 87 pips. No, it's more than that. It's more than 87 pips. From here to here, that's about 92 pips. You're getting 92 pips from there to here. I will show you on the next video how to capture this long leg, this leg. That is where you're interested in. Okay, into this other resistance. Now it has tapped into this resistance that has turned towards support. Now you look for what? Buy opportunities. If it comes back into this level, you look for buy opportunities. It comes back into the level, you look for buy opportunities. It comes back into the level again, you look for buy opportunities. As simple as that. Okay? As simple as that. From this swing to the swing, from this swing to the swing. That is just how it is. But whereas the market couldn't break past this level in this case, it has, if it couldn't break past this level, we have to break past this level before we start looking for sales. And to break past that level on where? On the daily time frame. This is one place people don't understand. If you don't understand multiple time frame analysis, you'll be trapped on the wrong side of the market so many times. Look at this. If you look at this market on a smaller time frame like the 1 hour, you will think that this is a breakout, isn't it? It has broken out this level now. You will place a sell here, right? You will place a sell here, and you place a sell here. You place a sell here, thinking that the market has sold. The market is not sold. It is still bullish. You're not flowing. You need to look at this market from the higher time frame. If you look at this market from the higher time frame, you can understand clearly. Look at this thing. These are just wicks that are being wicked out. People are just being wicked out for no reason, and the market is still bullish. On this market, I will start looking for sales once this level is taken out completely. If you take out this level, that is sell. but so far it's above this level. We should be looking for bullish opportunities, opportunities to only go long. Now, everything I'm explaining here, if you're not getting this correctly, this here is my this is my X, this is my Twitter account. You're free. Also post my trades here. I post my trades here. I also post my trades here and post this. You can see what I post here. These are things I post here. I post my trades here. This is my last week trades on gold. I killed gold last week, and look at my trades here. You can see the trades I took. Right, these are the trades I've taken. You can also learn from what I'm posting right here. This is my trade on GPUS that gave me about 1:7. Okay, now this is another thing. This, if you have any question to ask or you want to talk to me personally, you don't want to drop it on the comment section, you can also message me right here. Follow me on Instagram too. Right, I interpret the market. I don't predict the market. I only interpret the market. That's a big difference. Okay. I also post educational materials here. Look at this. I also post educational things here, educational shorts, reels here for you to also, learn from. Okay. So do well. Feel free to message me on those platforms, my social medias, and also join the free Telegram in the description below. Okay, so this is how to do multiple time frame analysis. If you want me to make any other video for you, there's any technical thing that is disturbing you, you want to learn from, just go to the comment section and comment, make this particular video for me, and I'm going to show you that video. Okay, I'm going to make that video for you because you are the reason why this YouTube channel was created in the first place. So I'm actually here to serve you. So bring your on all your questions, bring them on. I'm right here to answer your questions. Okay, so that is all for this video. See you on the next one.